All right, doing the second personal box break of 2018 Panini Obsidian for Rob. Good luck, sir. It's funny because everyone thought Freeman was going to be the guy going into the year. Let's see if this is a better way to do it. All right, I think that was a good way. All right, here we go. Good luck. We got Terrell Suggs base, 41 of 100. It's a cool card. Randy Moss, the Pats. It's 32 of 50. It's probably got a little value there. And we got Joe Mixon for the Bengals, 9 of 50. We have a redemption. I'm going to move to the back. Man, this is a good box, Rob. First up, nasty DJ Moore volcanic material jumbo patch for the Panthers. That's got to be low. Yeah, 4 of 5. 4 of 5 DJ Moore. Nice card there. We got DJ Chark Jr. for the Jags. That's 3 of 10. It's a low-numbered box. DJ Chark Jr. out of 10. And you got another really good hit here. Roquan Smith red auto for the Bears. That's 3 of 5. So you got low-numbered coming out of everywhere. This guy is also a beast. As a Bears fan, I love him. Roquan Smith out of 5. And then you got redemption. Rookie jersey ink electric etch yellow. The Chark was out of 10, so I assume that's out of 10 as well. The yellow version of Bradley Chubb. Dang. So that should be a Chubb patch auto out of 10, I believe. Is that right, Chris? That's a heck of a solid box right there.